In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your backup history in WP Engine, which is incredibly useful, especially in 2025 when keeping track of our digital assets is more important than ever. Let's dive right in and explore this step-by-step process. First, you'll want to log into your WP Engine user portal. This is your dashboard for managing all things related to your website hosting. Be sure to have your login credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface where all your environments and websites are listed. If you're managing multiple sites, take a moment to locate the specific website environment you want to inspect. Click on it to select the appropriate environment. This step is crucial as backups are specific to each environment. Once you're within your chosen environment, look for the Backups tab. It's usually located in the top navigation or on the side panel, depending on your display settings. Clicking this tab will open a comprehensive list of backups. You'll see a range of backup records, each marked with a date, a time, and a type. Here you can differentiate between manual backups, those you initiated yourself, and automatic ones that occur at regular intervals. This list serves as a timeline of your website's transactional history, allowing you to see when key changes were safeguarded. Should you wish to delve into any specific backup for more details, there's a handy drop-down arrow located beside each backup entry. Clicking this arrow reveals more detailed information about what that specific backup contains. This layer of detail is helpful if you're trying to pinpoint changes or verify the completeness of a backup. Now, sometimes the need arises to either restore a previous version of your site or to keep an offline copy for added security measures. For this, you'll notice options such as Restore or Download Zip. Clicking Restore will roll your website back to the selected version, which can be incredibly useful if you've encountered any unresolvable issues. On the other hand, downloading a zip file allows you to store a copy of your site's state directly onto your hard drive for safekeeping. While this step is optional, it's a great measure for additional peace of mind. And there you have it. Checking your backup history in WP Engine is straightforward and intuitive once you know the steps. Regularly reviewing your backup logs helps ensure your site is protected and that you're prepared to tackle any unforeseen issues. Remember, maintaining a reliable backup routine is integral to a successful and stable digital presence. Thanks for tuning in today, and make sure you subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate the digital landscape with confidence.